Welcome back guys to my YouTube video. In today's video we are going to see the joy of computing using Python NPTEL Assignment for week 3. For our first question, answer will be option A and option C. Lists are used to store multiple values and iterating the list or iterating all list is possible in Python. Question second, answer will be 7. Question third, answer will be option C and option D, that is 8 and 9. Question fourth, answer will be option B. It converts any input list into a new list such that even a indices the value is multiple of an even number and add odd indices the value is either odd or even. So option B. Question fifth, answer will be option C. Yes, we can make changes. Question sixth, answer will be option B. That is no. Question seventh, which of the following are examples of social computing? Answer will be option A, option B, and option C. Stack Overflow, Wikipedia, and Quora. I think you have used all these websites. Question 8th. Answer will be option B. We know the wisdom of series. Question 9th. Answer will be option A and option D. Question 10th. Answer will be 56. Thank you guys. Now we can submit our assignment. I hope you like this video and